ChatGPT is creating new frontiers of comedy. Writer's block, if you'll let it, is gone. My name is Rose Siskind, and I am a science comedy writer, and that's a real job. GPT-5 is the ultimate research assistant. There are so many niche expertises. Now you can hire a comedy writer to understand nuclear quantum mechanics or whatever. And they can go in and truly try with a beginner's mind and a comedian's mindset to understand the details of what you do and make it relatable. I wrote this show that I never thought could see the light of day until GPT-5 came out. It's called the Primordial Soap Opera. No hour is too late, no question is too weird or too hard. And it's able to understand the emotional complexity of the question I'm asking, as well as the scientific grounding. Research, mind map. Then it's your job to find the most delightful juxtapositions and put them together. I'm gonna pressure test these characters by giving it a scenario. So it gave me 3 scenelets, which is great. Devin keeps trying to set up Jesse with Morgan. That's great, that's a classic. You both love sulfur. That's an interesting thing because this actually makes me wonder a question I haven't really thought of before. GPT-5 is really good at understanding the voice and perspective of characters because not only does it have a sense of what words they might choose, but also what are their motivations. This back and forth is how collaboration happens. And by using advanced voice mode and just acting stuff out, I can actually create more robust characters. When you're in a creative flow state, you don't want to toggle between different models. GPT-5, it'll toggle for you between reasoning models and towards multimodality, web search, whatever it is, it does it for you so that you can just get to the meat of this stuff. It automates a lot of the stuff we don't want to do, and it augments what we're good at doing. And truly, I think of this next frontier as a much larger writer's room.